President Uhuru Kenyatta recently issued an executive order establishing a framework for the management, coordination and integration of public port, railway and pipeline services under the Kenya Transports and Logistics Network. Port, railway and pipeline operations will now be managed under a single entity in a move aimed at turning Kenya into a commercial regional logistics hub. This development has met serious criticism in Mombasa, with a section of stakeholders threatening to call for nationwide demonstrations should President Kenyatta fail to withdraw the merger.
This proposed merger ambayo inapendekezwa, in actual sense, when we are told that KPA imefanywa kama guarantee ya SGR, we did not expect that now the Chinese will just come and pick the port. This was going to be done in other clever ways, and this is exactly that. Public participation is a requirement under Article 10 of the Constitution of Kenya. A merger of this nature, bringing together key parastatals in the country, there is zero public participation, there is zero input from Parliament, there is zero input from stakeholders, including the Kenya Transporters Association. It can only mean that it is not good for the country.
Kwa muda mwaka mmoja ama miaka miwili, watu wamekuwa kiingia barabarani wakilalamikia swala la uchumi pwani. Economic rights are human rights. It is time that the government must also listen to the cries of our people. You cannot play around with economic rights, because economic rights are basically the beacon ya rights zingine zozote. Kila haki nyingine yoyote iko dependent on the economic right. So how come the government is playing around with our economic rights?
Leo hii bahari imenyakuliwa, imeenda, uchumi wa pwani umeenda. Tunataka tuombe serikali, uhusiano, ndoa wanayofunga ya Kenya Ports Authority, pipeline na mashirika mengine ikufe leo. Kama hatutasikizwa, tutaenda kotini na tutaangazia mambo haya.
You're watching News Desk. Let's take a short break now, but when we come back, reporters